Hi everyone, this is Gene for an episode of Oranda Power / Could It Work video. I know, I do a lot of Could It Work video. Not sure if a lot of people like them. Well, yeah, they're generally popular videos, and I really try to boost that playlist up. So this is why I'm putting so much videos for that playlist. And yeah, those are really fun videos to do. And it's always fun to just think about the future. Obviously, I'm not putting all the fish that I state in those Could It Work videos, but I know for sure I want to try a lot of them. But for this video, I don't want to talk about fish with goldfish. I want to talk about plants with goldfish. So, anubias. Could it work? Yeah, it work with goldfish. But what are other type of plants? Sorry, there's a lot of floating land moss in this aquarium right now, and the water is kind of murky because everyone I've just eat 2 minutes ago. I mean, an hour, well, not even an hour, like half an hour ago, that water was super clean, and now there is a lot of floating debris. But anyway, sorry, I'm rambling. So anubias, really a good plant with goldfish. And I did an experience like a year and a half ago, something like that, or even 2 years ago. Wow, time go fast, you know. And I've kept, well, I just pick up this anubias from the pet store, the fish store actually, and I bring also Java moss, no, sorry, Java fern, and Amazon sword. So, from the tree plants, only anubias survived. Obviously, since I have gravel with absolutely no CO2 or ferts, the Amazon sword didn't survive. It just died. And the Java fern was picked up by the goldfish. I mean, the goldfish kind of attacked the Java fern. So usually Java fern is one of the biggest suggestion for putting with goldfish, especially since it kind of just worked like anubias. But since I had such a tiny piece, and since it was introduced when the goldfish were really just wanting to eat everything back then, and those tree plants were introduced, and the anubias and the Amazon sword had really too strong of a leaves for the goldfish to actually eat, but the Java fern was actually tender enough for the goldfish to be able to kind of rip the leaves apart. So what I did back then is I literally just grab all the remaining Java, I put it all in a bowl, a fish bowl, in the laboratory, so it could have regrown. But sadly, there was just too much of algae that just randomly grow on them because it was in direct sunlight. And yeah, basically I also put way too much ferts, like fertilizer for land plants. I actually put that in the bowl, like way too much. So extra nutrition plus direct sunlight plus well, just no filtration at all equal a lot of algae, which have just destroyed the remaining Java fern. So that was my mistake. Same mistake for the Amazon sword. I actually kept it outside, and it was actually regrowing. I mean, all the leaves died at one point, and then the bulb survived, and there was a lot of new leaves, but the algae just destroyed it as well. And back then I didn't knew the concept of a plant melting down and just returning to life. So I assumed they just died, so I threw them back in the trash. when I should have waited a little longer. But yeah, basically I'm not a high-tech kind of fish keeper, so I really want to keep it simple. So what plant can actually survive with goldfish and do well in a water without any nutrition other than the fish poop? I could actually try in the future to get a substrate with more nutrition, like the eco soil, you know, the black sand kind of thing. That look really beautiful, and I could try it, but I don't want to waste a lot of money and just on like CO2 and everything, and just discover that goldfish just destroyed everything anyway, and end up just getting back to plastic plants. That could be just a waste of time, energy, and money, and I don't want that necessarily. So if there is some really easy to grow plants in really low-tech setup with goldfish in it, and also gold barb. Gold barb are actually just mini goldfish, so they're aggressive towards plants. But yeah, if you know any plants that could work, please let me know. I'm really interested. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and see you all real soon. Yeah, Ghost is finally ready. Bye.